Dear 9th students, good morning. In the previous class, I started the lesson Justice About Self, which is by Munshi Premchand. In that class, I told about the conflict between the Jamman and his old aunt. And Jamman and Algu Chowdhury, how they were good friends. We are discussed about them in the how their bond of friendship was. We were discussed about that in the previous class. And Jamman's old aunt, she had transferred her property to Jamman for the agreement that he would look her very well. But after a few years, the circumstance would be changed. Jamman and his wife, they grudged even the little food that the old lady needed for survival. Then the patience has its limits. Jamman Sheikh's old aunt requested to him, she was wanted in his house, kindly give her a monthly allowance for set of a new separate kitchen. We discussed those things in the previous class. Now I would like to continue this lesson from the paragraph number 3. Shall we continue? Okay. When Jamman's old aunt requested her to give monthly allowance, Jamman replied to her in this way, in an arrogant way or in a merciless manner, that like this: my wife knows best how to run the house, be patient, said Jamman shamelessly. He replied to his old aunt that his wife knows best how to run the house. She could be quiet for a while. So he told these things in a careless manner or in a shameless manner. This made his aunt angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. When Jamman was not ready to give her the food or the monthly allowance, then his old aunt decided to take her case to the village panchayat. To the village panchayat. Village panchayat means before the courts came into existing, the rule or the justice would be given by these village panchayat. Panchayat means it is the organization which is set up by the 5 members, or 5 members are leaders to this panchayat. So when Jamman Sheikh was not ready to give her the monthly allowance, then she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Why did she take her case in front of the village panchayat here? Because of the justice to her. Because of the monthly allowance to her. So, for this purpose, she decided to, who decided to take her case to the village panchayat? Jamman's old aunt. Jamman's old aunt decided to take her case in front of the village panchayat for justice. For justice. The old lady went about meeting people explaining her case. When she went in front of the village panchayat, she had explained her case, how she was in the house of Jamman and how she had transferred her property to the Jamman's name. She had explained her case in front of the panchayat members or meeting people. When they heard her case or when they heard her story, some sympathized. Sympathized means here feel sorry for somebody. Sympathizer means feel sorry. Somebody. So that is sympathize or sympathized. When they heard her whole story, some of them sympathized with her, others laughed at her or laughed about her foolishness. A few others advised her to make it up with his nephew and his wife, and others suggested her to make it up with her nephew, or who was the nephew here? Jamman Sheikh and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chowdhury. Who was Algu Chowdhury? Algu Chowdhury was the closest or the dearest friend to Jamman Sheikh. They were close friends. Who were close friends here? Jamman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury. So after that, she came to Algu Chowdhury and spoke to him. You know, when she came near to Algu Chowdhury, she told her whole story to Algu Chowdhury. When he listened her whole story, he replied to her like this: "You know, Chachi." Here Algu Chowdhury introduced the word Chachi to the Jamman's old aunt. So Chachi means here it is a Hindi word. So he told to her, or he replied to Jamman Sheikh's aunt, "You know, Chachi, Jamman is my best friend." Algu Chowdhury replied to her that Jamman Sheikh was his old friend, or was his close friend or best friend, and he put a question to old aunt: how can he go against him? He replied to her, "How can I go against Jamman Sheikh? Because they were best friends, they were close friends, they were dearest friends." So he put another question to old aunt: how can he go against Jamman Sheikh? Because he was his dearest or close friend. "But is it right, my son, to keep mum," mum means here quiet or silent, mum, and not say what you consider just and fair? Pleaded the old lady. Was it the right, Algu Chowdhury? Was they were right by their attitude towards me? Just she wanted to convince to Algu Chowdhury. So, but is it right, my son, to keep mum or quiet or silent and not say what you consider just and fair? Pleaded the old lady. and she requested to him once again, please come to the panchayat and speak the truth. She said, she requested to Algu Chowdhury, please come to the panchayat and spoke the truth or speak the truth. Algu did not reply during that situation. He did not reply towards her, but her spoken words kept ringing in his ears. That means her said words were ringing in his ears. That means he was not forgotten her words. Her spoken words were ringing in his ears. So after that, the panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. It is banyan, not banyan. It is banyan. Banyan means alud mara anta heltevalla navu, adu alud mara. So the panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. It was held under this old banyan tree. Jamman stood up and said, when that meeting was held under the old banyan tree, Jamman stood up and said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Here, the voice of the Panch is the voice of the God means here. The voice means here judgment. They are given judgment. So, whatever you give the judgment, it will be the judgment of the omnipotent God. So, Jamman just wanted to try to just convince them. He was ready to accept their judgment. So he told to them, the voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. Let my aunt nominate the head Panch. He given the opportunity to his old aunt for nominating the head Panch. For nominating the head Panch. Here nominate means purpose or suggest someone's name. Purpose or suggest someone's name, that is nominate. So Jamman Sheikh given his decision towards the his old aunt that she could choose the head Panch. And he added, I will abide. Abide means accept. He was ready to accept the nominated person which was chosen by his aunt. So, he will abide, that means accept by her decision. When the chance was or when the opportunity was given to old aunt by Jamman Sheikh, his old aunt nominate Algu Chowdhury as her head Panch. As her head Panch. So, when the opportunity was given to her to choose her head Panch, she took that time or she took that opportunity. She nominated Algu Chowdhury as her head Panch. So she nominated Algu Chowdhury as the Panch. The Panch knows neither enemy nor friend, stated the old lady. When she chosen Algu Chowdhury as her head Panch, then she added, the Panch knows neither enemy nor friend. That means according to her, the given which will be given by the head punch, it will be impartial. It will be impartial, not to the partial. So she told that the punch knows neither enemy nor friend, stated the old lady. Fine, replied Jaman, hiding his joy over this unexpected piece of luck. When his Jaman Sheikh's old aunt chosen Algu Chowdhury has their head punch, Jaman became very happy because Algu Chowdhury was his close friend or best friend. According to him, Algu Chowdhury will be given the judgment in favor with him or in favor of him. So, because of that thing, he became very happy. So, he replied, hiding his joy over this unexpected piece of luck. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Jaman, said Algu. When a old aunt chosen Algu Chowdhury as her head punch, he then finally wanted to convince her like this. She was aware of his friendship with Jaman. How could you choose me as your head punch? So he replied to her in this way. Yes, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience. You will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. Here, conscience means here something that tells you if you are right or wrong. Something that tells you if you are right or wrong. So that is conscience. So when he told to her he was the best friend to Jaman Sheikh, during that time the old lady replied to him that she also knows that he will not kill his conscience for the sake of his friendship or their friendship. God lies in the heart of the punch and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case in front of the village panchayat. So, whatever the decision you will make, that will be the decision of the God. So, she accepted that thing and she had explained her whole story in front of the village panchayat. What have you to say in your defense? Asked Algu to Jaman. When Jaman's old aunt was explained her story in front of the panchayat, then Algu Chowdhury, as the head punch, said to his friend, said to the Jaman that what had he to say in his defense. That means, how could you defend about your case? He replied to, or he said to his friend Jaman Sheikh. Jaman narrated how his aunt transferred her property and how he promised her to look after her as long as she lived. He had explained his whole story in front of the village panchayat, how they made their treatment or how they made their agreement or how they made their condition for Jaman's old aunt transferred her property to Jaman and how she lives in his house. But of late there have been quarrels between his wife and aunt. After that there will be the quarrels what happened between his wife and his aunt. He just told the things in front of the panchayat. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me which I can't pay. For that reason, my aunt now wanted to monthly allowance for her living or for her set of the new kitchen. But I do not, or I did not agree to give her the monthly allowance. So he told to the village panchayat that he was not ready to give her the monthly allowance. That's all I have to say. He concluded his submission. When he pleaded his whole story, or when he said his whole story, he finished his whole story in front of the village panchayat. After the arguing of Jamman Sheikh and his old aunt, after that, the head punch, who was the head punch here? Algyo Chowdhury. He discussed with his 4 panchayat members. After consulting others, Algyo announced his judgment. Now Algyo announced his judgment. What the judgment was given there. The judgment which was given by Algyo Chowdhury, that was like this. He continued, Algyo announced, we are of the opinion that means he just told his judgment in front of the village members that Jamman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance. Finally, the village panchayat given its judgment against the Jamman Sheikh. So it told that Jamman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance. Jamman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance. Whether he was not ready to pay the monthly allowance to his aunt, or else the property goes back to her. Whether he was not able to, or whether he was not ready to give the monthly allowance, the property which was transferred Jamman Sheikh, which will be goes back to his old aunt. So it was the judgment which was given in favor of Jamman Sheikh. What was the judgment which was given here? Jamman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, otherwise the property goes back to his aunt. So it was the very beautiful or very impartial judgment which was given by the village panchayat, and it was against the Jamman Sheikh. So when they given the judgment, it made a shock to Jamman, because before that he felt that Algyo was his good friend or best friend. He will be give the partial judgment, or he will be give the favor judgment of Jamman. But here Algyo Chowdhury was given the impartial judgment. So the heading of this lesson was justice above self. So Jamman should or must pay a monthly allowance to his aunt, otherwise the property goes back to his aunt. After that given judgment, now the close friends were seldom and together, or seldom seen together. Here seldom means rare. Seldom means rare. So after that judgment, the close friends became enemy friends, or they became enemies. After the judgment of that village panchayat, Jamman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury became enemies. So now the friends were seldom, that means rarely seen together. The bond of friendship was broken. The bond of friendship was broken. That means they became enemies. In fact, Jamman saw Algu as an enemy. He saw Algu as his enemy and wanted to take revenge. Revenge means here something made to make somebody suffer. Something made to make somebody suffer, that is revenge. So after the judgment, Jamman Sheikh was enemy to the Algu Chowdhury. That means according to Jamman Sheikh, when Algu was given his impartial judgment, he became enemy of Algu Chowdhury, and he wanted to take revenge on Algu Chowdhury. So it was the circumstance which was happened after the judgment. Okay, is it understanding, dear students? Okay. So after the judgment, they became enemies, and Jamman Sheikh wanted to take revenge on Algu Chowdhury. Dear students, do you think, was he right? Was Jamman right to wanted to take revenge on Algu Chowdhury? Was he right? No, he was not right, because he was the person who was not the best friend to Algu Chowdhury, who was not understood his feelings, who was not understood the judgment of the village panchayat. So when Algu Chowdhury was given his impartial judgment, Jamman Sheikh took that judgment as in favor of him, and then after that he became enemy of the Algu Chowdhury, and he wanted to take revenge on Algu Chowdhury. So it is about part 2 or scene 2. Remaining 1/3 part was here, that will be finished in the next class. Okay, students? Okay. It is about today's explanation up to page number 3rd to 6. How the circumstances, or how the circumstance changed the close friends into enemies. And what was the judgment which was given by village panchayat or Algu Chowdhury. Okay, it is about today's class or today's explanation. Next class I will finish this lesson. Remaining 1/3 part was there. Remaining 3rd part was there. I will finish that part in the next class. Okay, dear students, if you have any query regarding to today's class, you will ask me. Otherwise, I will give you the homework questions. Have you any query regarding to today's class? No. Okay. Please take your homework questions and look at the questions which were given in the page number 92, which were given in the share your responses. Question number 5th. Question number 5th. It is your first homework question. How did people react to the old lady when she went about explaining her flight? Flight means here case. And next one, 6th one. How did Alku Chowdhury say that he could not go against Jamman? So it is your second homework question. And look at the 93 pages share your responses question. First one. What was Jamman's opinion about the punch? What was Jamman's opinion about the punch? And last question, very important question, that is third question, which is given in the share your responses. What decision did Alku give after listening to Jamman and his aunt? So take these 4 questions as your homework questions. Then you will write your answers for these 4 questions. Okay, dear students? Okay. Shall we start here? Okay, thank you.